Hey guys, and let's play some Bee Swarm Simulator. As you see, I'm trying to become a red and blue hive, and it's pretty hard. So here are some pro tips you need to know. First, always kill your always kill your daily mobs. A king beetle, he actually gets a lot of good rewards, and most of the time I always kill him every day, no matter what. And yeah, it's easy to get king beetle loot. Second is the Tunnel Bear. He's actually a pretty hard mob. You guys thought, oh yeah, he's so hard, but when he's walking like this, you go like this, he runs to the corner, you get to glide behind him, and yeah, you get to glide behind him, and you will make it easier. Second thing, if you just started the game, or like mid-half, as you see planters in the game, right? And Science Bear probably gave you 3 paper planters. They give rewards based off the field that you're in. So if I'm in the sunflower field, I'll get extra sunflower seeds. And yeah, so technically, what I'm trying to do right now is and always, if you have 35 bee gate unlocked, always kill coconut crab. He might seem hard. Oh, he's spawning in 15 minutes. But he might seem hard. Yeah, he's hard. But all you do is have to dodge, and attack. Who cares how long it takes you to beat him? But I know, like, the faster you kill him, the better rewards you'll get. Now, we need 10 honey? That's really disappointing. And one more thing is let's say I gander that on Slither, which, if you have it, it's only here for 9 more days. You get 3 bees, festive bee, and you get a guiding star there. You're guaranteed a gingerbread bear, glue, oil, or glitter. And as you see, guiding stars give you so good buffs. Just look, see, I'm not even a red hive. Let me get in. Boom. 309 million. Because look at the stats it gives. No, you see that? Now that's it. Now that's good. But if someone goes into it, they get 50% less of the bonuses. And one more thing of becoming a good old pro is bees and boosts. So technically, let's say you are a white hive. You decide to grind a pumpkin. You say it's good, but as you see, it has a lot of red and white. It has a lot of flowers, red and blue flowers. So if you're a red and white hive, you should grind a spider, even because it's all white. Can this prevent you from getting that good old white flower? And as you see, it's harder to get. You might be thinking, but it's hard boosting. It's hard finding the thing I like. So let's say I like Spicy Bee. He's my favorite bee. Also my first mythic. And I like Taco Bee too. So I become a hive. It's just a game. You don't have to oh no, what am I gonna do? I have nothing. Oh my. Oh. No, sorry, Dino. Let's check his real name. The only green Dino. I'm so sorry I took the loot, but that's what you get if you don't be online. And I know you're casually grinding. That gives me an idea. Casually grinding, which means you don't have a boost. You have nothing. Just grind. Are you wondering why am I grinding the spider? Just did them search. As you see, look at my honey. I'm making a lot of honey. And for you, you might make a million every 10 minutes. But that 10 minutes it's more worth than playing just getting a boost and wasting materials. So that's all you need to know. Oh yeah, one more thing, balloons. And that's all you need to know for this video. And yeah, that's it. Bye guys.